Hello, good evening. Today I want to teach you something small about the munyankole. That is the group of Bantu staying in Western Uganda. So the munyankole treasure so much millet that it is their traditional and cultural food. In other words, if an Ankole man wanted to tell his wife to prepare millet, he would tell him, "I've gone to buy meat." And every man knew it that every woman knew it by heart that meat means millet. Should you make a mistake and prepare any other food stuff like matoke, that is bananas or rice, when the man is going to buy meat, you count yourself dead. You count yourself going back to your father. So, and that's how I came to like millet because it's like our traditional food. And how we used to eat this millet, we used to put it in baskets. Though now I don't have a basket, I have just this modern basket. And this is meat here that is today. I prepared some chicken here. And how we used to do this thing, you see, we used like to dig a hole inside this, like you grab the millet and then you see the hole I've created. This is like in Runyankore call it enogo. And when you make this enogo, you put your soup like this. It's like a spoon. So you swallow the millet. And I'm gonna show you again how to make this enogo. You see, I'm getting my millet from the saucepan. Okay, this is my basket. Then after you have rolled it like this, and then that means you have to wash your hands, you have to be clean. Then you make a hole inside here, and I'm teaching you how to eat like a real munyankole. If you're getting married there or you didn't know this, you have to learn how to eat like a munyankole. We don't use forks. So you put your soup like this, you see, soup is there, and we use not chew millet, you just swallow it because it will digest itself in the stomach. And if it has not, then you can make another one and you continue the process. So I'm teaching you how to eat millet for those who didn't know. Those who are in Kampala, those who are staying in Europe, and you don't know how to eat millet. So how did I prepare today's millet? I didn't have cassava, but I had millet flour. So I added in wheat, and the wheat I added in is just cheap wheat. But if you have to buy cassava, it will be expensive for you here in Europe. And I swallow my enogo, and when you'd swallow well the enogo, you'd hear it making noise on your on the throat. Now I use this type of flour, the budget one, the budget flour. I mean wheat flour, which is cheap, and it is at 157 for it. And that is what I added in my millet. And as you can see, my millet doesn't stick in my hands, and it is rollable. And you make well this nogo, and you swallow your millet, man. This is something that I've grown up doing. Right from my bachelor's, I was cooking for myself, and up to my master's, I'm still cooking for myself. And I really like something that the wife who takes over. My wife should know how to do this stuff because without it, this is what I eat and feel I've eaten. But if I eat other stuff, I don't feel it. I don't feel it. But now I'm home. I'm home in Kazo, but I'm in Budapest. Kunugunda Wutcha. So good night. You can join me if you don't worry. And next time I'll prepare it on Christmas 25th December. So you can join me. You can send me a mail and tell me, hello. I would like to link you up and test on your food stuff, and I'll be more than ready to share with you. And good night. So you can come and enjoy. I guess get ready.